What I'm working on today is my wife's 97 Buick Lesabre. It has the 3800 series, which I don't know any of them that don't. And she complained about a low oil pressure. The gauge reads 0. She's been driving it for a couple days, and there's no clattering, there's no problems, even at idle. It's just most likely a pressure sensor. So she asked me to put that on, and that's what I'm going to do. Here's the pressure sensor here, so you can see what it looks like in the box. And it already has coating tape there, Teflon tape, sealant tape I should say. Connector's pretty straightforward. And where this is located, you'll have to jack the vehicle up. You can probably get it from underneath without jacking it up, but I'll tell you, it's really tight there. I don't think that I'd want to do it. So I jacked it up. The jack's still supporting the vehicle to some extent. However, a little paranoid. I don't know about these jacks. So I got jack stand underneath there, also supporting it. What you'll have to do, of course, obviously remove the wheel. This plug out, which is a normal Christmas tree style lock-in plug. And then this one is the GM style push pin to lock. This has already been pulled out, so we'll go ahead and pull these out. Remove that panel. I've already removed the plug. I don't know if you can see it there, and I don't know if I can point it out, but I'll try. Here's the plug. I've already removed it. And then the item that I'm trying to get to is right here. This is the part that I just showed you in the box, but in its filthy broken form. So what I'll do is God, it's really gooked up. I will take this out. I grabbed the pipe wrench. It's a small one. It's, I don't know if there's a size on this one. I think this says 6. I'm sorry, 10. Used it to loosen it. However, it broke. And I go, oh crap. Although I didn't say that. And then I said, oh yeah, because the part that broke off allowed me to use a regular socket then. So I put the ratchet on there in the socket. It's the and it's coming loose. It's almost all the way out. But I wanted to show you. Now, I think that you could have also got to it from the back with a long extension, maybe with a swivel on the end of the extension. Over top of the CV shaft, over top of the rack and pinion, the inner tie rod boot. I think it could have made it. However, it worked okay this way. So, your preference. Let me get back to it, and we'll see if we can get a finished product for you. Alright, so I've got the new one on, and it's clipped in. As you're tightening it, it sure feels like that it's stripping or something, so you got to be real careful. Don't over tighten it, like I said. It's all plugged back in, and I would start it now. Normally, well, I shouldn't say normally, I would start this and test if it's leaking this way. However, if you're doing this on a vehicle that has an air ride system like this, probably not a good idea. It starts to pump up to try to level out. Guess what's going to happen? It's going to change the geometry in which these things are supported, and it may cause it to slide or possibly come off. So I don't want to mess with that. Plus, it's just exerting too much pressure on the back. I could lower these a little bit and get it more level and check it out that way, but I'm going to go ahead and button this back up. We'll go ahead and turn the key forward. You can see still 0. And voila, we've got oil pressure. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So anyways, that concludes it. I haven't seen any videos online for this specific repair, so I hope that helps you out a little bit. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. I'll try to get back to you within a few days. I'm hearing the air ride kick on right now. Hopefully everything's all right back there. Seems like it is. Okay, thanks for watching, and like I said, just comment down below or send me an email if you have any questions. Bye.